Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today's video we have another great upcoming Kickstarter project from Divoom. Divoom is a well-known company who specialize making pixel art speakers and gadgets. This time they came across with a really nice looking SlingBag that has an inbuilt pixel art feature. Once again, many thanks to Divoom for sending this out for review. You can find the link in the description below, and without further ado, let's get started. Product simply came inside this cardboard packaging that has a picture of the SlingBag itself. Let's quickly check what you get inside the box. Well, you get this SlingBag itself carefully protected inside this clear bag. In terms of the design, this is a very stylish SlingBag that comes with a grey, black and yellow color mix. It is made from combination of polyester nylon materials, as this is a water resistant product. You can see the small round shape with the Divoom name printed at the front. Overall, Divoom has used high-end materials as usual to maintain their outstanding quality. It has this rubber handle which can be used to carry like a handbag. You get 3 main pockets with this SlingBag, and very first one is this front zip pocket. This is where the pixel art display installed, and you can see the USB cable that used to power up the light panel. However, you won't be able to remove the display as it is permanently secured to the front compartment. Also, this is where you need to store the power bank for the pixel art display. As you can see, it can easily hold both my phone and the 10,000 mAh power bank. Second one is this middle pocket, and it is slightly bigger than the other two. Let's check what you get inside. It has this internal zip pocket for your important items. You can securely store your passport or wallet. It has plenty of space available, and you will get another 2 separated but small compartment to keep small items. And last, it has this removable key holder. However, this middle pocket can easily accommodate a small water bottle. The last one is the smallest compared to other 2 pockets, but inside it has a divider which makes it to 2 separate compartments. Overall, this bag has a decent space available to use. I can easily store my all the camera gears inside without any issues. And more importantly, I can store my tripod thanks to this special slip-through compartment. This SlingBag has clever design clamp. However, this is the first time I have seen this new clamp design, and it is very easy to use. Also, it has this nylon finish shoulder strap, and you can easily adjust it according to your choice. And the zip pullers are protected with these rubber covers, and I like the detailed finish of this product. Also, you can see the Divoom name. Setting up is very easy, and all you need is to simply connect a power bank to the USB cable. It does not have any physical button to access. However, you can control or customize the pixel display by using the Divoom Smart-app as usual. You can simply follow the on-screen instruction to add the SlingBag to the app. Phone will connect over the Bluetooth. It will allow you to access hundreds of different static and animation pixel arts. You can simply tap the one you want to display, and app will push it to the SlingBag. Also, you can set the specific keyword to find your favorite one. Having said that, talking about the pixel art display, it is provide 16 by 16 or 256 total pixel resolutions. So what you can do with this Divoom app? Let's find out. The first option is create your own pixel art. You can save and share them with others. Also, you can create moving text with custom background. If you are really good with creating pixel art and animations, you can easily share those with pixel art fans around the world. Next option is this pixel coloring. It will allow you to match and create the color of the pictures and send it to the display. Next on the list is instrument and DJ sound effect. Each and every instrument creates its own pixel art on the screen. It has 24 individual instruments to try and has 96 DJ sound effects. This is the best feature you can experience with this bag. You can literally play games as it will allow you to play very famous mini games such as Tetris, Magic 8 Ball, Snake, Dice and Brick Car Race. Smart-app on the phone can be used as a controller and it responds really well. After all those fancy mini games, you can use the display as a countdown timer. It will clearly display the timer with the animation hourglass. Next one is you can use the display as a scoreboard. Another great feature I think actually very useful is receiving your phone notification as a visual notification straight into this bag. Also, you can customize which application you want to use. You can see notification in real time. Also, Pixel display can be used as a mood light by changing into the various different color options simply using the Smart-app. Apart from displaying pixel art animations, you can use the bag to display the time. Again, color can be changed easily and you can enable different information to display, such as weather, temperature or date and time. Next option will allow you to display some signals. This will help if you are riding a bike, but it is a bit difficult and not really safe to access your phone while riding. However, I have seen this remote control which allow you to enable that feature easily by mounting into the bike. Also under the signal category, you can display some animated smiley faces. This bag is perfectly used in most challenging weather conditions thanks to the water resistant and splash proof design. It will protect all your valuable items without any doubts. Also, it has waterproof zippers as well. So how about use as a sling bag? You can easily carry it as a crossbody bag and still you can easily access all the pockets and compartments. However, Pixel display is very clear in low light condition. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a brightness controller. When in outside, the display is a bit difficult to see. But if you want to stand out from the crowd, this bag definitely has all the bells and whistles. At last, whether you are a photographer or traveler or cyclist, this sling bag perfectly serves your needs. Again, thanks to the pixel art display, which is probably the coolest and reason along to buy this bag, it makes instantly stand out from the crowd. It fits comfortably around the hips as well as your shoulder, while all your gears still can be accessed easily. Like I mentioned earlier, huge thanks to the Divoom for sending this bag to try and review. Let me know in the comment what you think about this sling bag. To see more upcoming videos like this, make sure you are subscribed with notification turned on and you don't miss any of those videos. And finally, if you enjoyed the video, then please hit the like. Thank you for watching and see you again with another video.